getting all of your points in, you find that, hold on 1 second, I lost my place. The feasible corner points, yeah, that's what the word I was looking for. The feasible corner points are A, B, and C. So, A is going to be 200x plus 100y equals 1200. And then down below that is x plus y equals 7. And then B is 200x plus 100y equals 1200. X plus 2y equals 12. C is x plus 2y equals 12. X plus y equals 7. Alright, so let's work these out for A. And I have these. We're going to solve all these systems simultaneously. Just saying that. Solve systems simultaneous. Anyway.
Yeah, I'm not saying that.
Okay. So A is 200x plus 100y equals 1200. And then x plus y equals 7. And then x, and then that negative 100 in parentheses. So 200x plus 100y equals 1200. Negative 100x minus 100y equals negative 700. Alright. And then 100x over 100 equals 500 over 100. So x equals 5, because it's 500 over 100. And we'll substitute that into x plus y equals 7. So y will equal 2. No, I take that back. Y will equal, y will equal 2, and a will equal 5, comma 2. So for B, we have 200x plus 100y equals 1200. X plus 2y equals 12x, and then that's negative 50 in parentheses. And then 200x plus 100y equals 1200. Negative 50x minus negative 100y equals 600. So 150x over 150 equals 600 over 150, which equals 4 when you narrow it down. It's x will equal 4. And we'll substitute that into x plus 2y equals 12. So it's 4 plus 2y equals 12, and then negative 4, negative 4. 2y over 2 equals 8 over 2. So, and y will equal 4. So that means B equals 4, comma 4. And C is x plus 2y equals 12, x plus y equals 7. We're going to subtract the two equations to get y equals 5, and substitute that into x plus y equals 7, and we get x equals 2. So C equals 2, comma 5. So after evaluating all of those, I know that was kind of confusing and chaotic to read through all those equations, but that's the way that problem was worked out. I'm sorry. A, which equals 5, comma 2. The profit for A is $500, 5, plus 300, 2, equals $2,500 plus 600 equals $3,100. Okay, so that's A. B is profit for B is 4, comma 4. The profit is 504 plus 304 equals 2,000 plus 1,200 equals $3,200. And C, which was 2, comma 5, the profit for it is $500, 2, plus 300, 5, equals 1,000 plus 1,500 equals $2,500. So B is the winner because B yields the greatest profit. So that B tells you how much wheat and how much rye you'll have to plant in 12 hours. Okay, so that one's done. Alright, while JM's getting this one together.
I'm getting that one together.
Where'd that piece of paper go?
That one? The big one?
No, the little one. Well, anyway, those are all big problems that we did. Sorry, we're getting organized here. Those are all big problems that we did to show steps of how you do linear programming and the problems, step by step. A lot of that is on calculator. We just wrote it out. The problems we'll be doing on tests and for homework and stuff will probably look closer to this. You'll take a word problem, you'll write out your variables and your constraints and stuff, and then you'll graph it, and that'll be it. As you can see right there, it says marker equals poop because this marker I was using decided to stop working when I was about a quarter of the way through this. So this is problem 3. And I'm going to read it, and we're going to do it, and it's going to go a lot faster and a lot less confusing than the first 2 problems. So problem 3 says, you need to buy some filing cabinets. You know that cabinet X costs $10 per unit, requires 6 square feet of floor space, and holds 8 cubic feet of files. Cabinet Y costs $20 per unit, requires 8 square feet of floor space, and holds 12 cubic feet of files. You've been given $140 for this purchase, though you don't have to spend that much. The office has room for no more than 72 square feet of cabinets. How many of which model should you buy in order to maximize storage volume? So the question asks for the number of cabinets I need to buy. So my variables will stand for that. X equals the number of Model X cabinets purchased, and Y will equal the number of Model Y cabinets purchased. Now the cost will be here. So let's see. If I have to consider the cost and floor space while maximizing the storage volumes, so my cost and my floor space will be my constraints here, and my volume will be my optimization equation. So these 2 are constraints, and that's for optimization. So my first cost constraint is 10x plus 20y is less than or equal to 140, or y is less than or equal to 1/2 x plus 7. And my second one is space. 6x plus 8y is less than or equal to 72, or y is less than or equal to negative 3/4 x plus 9. And my volume, which is my optimization, is v equals 8x plus 12y. Okay? So we're just going to graph that out.